And together, we're the Glad Scientists. We have our new guest today, Elise.
Hi.
She's our cousin. We're going to be talking about acids and bases. Yay! They're my favorite because you get to blow up stuff. Water is neutral. It has a pH balance of 7. And the acids are lower than 7. And what are the bases? They're higher. Get it?
No, I don't get it.
It's not a joke. The bases are higher. And so what we did before the video started, we did this. We set up all the things. We put the detergent in here. And we put all the other materials. What materials do we have? We have
Acids and bases.
No! We have water, baking soda, lemon juice,
And acids and bases.
white vinegar, glass cleaner with
And
ammonia.
neutral.
With ammonia and
And neutral.
detergent.
And eyeballs.
Okay, Mary. Now, you want to show them the box? Look, okay.
This-
I'll show them the box.
This is the box of box.
No, this is the box of the acid and bases kit. Here. Look. Show them. Our
Show
guests. The people that are watching this video.
Whoa,
It's a
whoa,
Yellowscope
whoa.
kit, and they have a big one over there, but we're just doing this one because we want to start small and then go big. Okay. Here, give Mommy the book because we don't need the book anymore.
Don't take your mom to box.
Okay.
So you've already measured out all of your materials.
Yep.
And you've already given your hypothesis of which ones you think are acids and bases.
Yep.
And can you show the paper where you set up for,
Wait. Who?
that's the palette, and
Look, you can show them that.
that's the paper, okay? So you can put the
So
paper
this
back
is
under the
water.
paper is what? What's on the
This
paper?
is water, so the water will go in here, in one of those. And then the window cleaner will go in the next one, and then the vinegar will go in the next one, and then the baking soda, lemon juice, and detergents. So, let's start the experiment!
Okay, we're gonna start with Mir. If you could use the 1/8 teaspoon and put
The just a pinch. It literally says just a pinch.
you're gonna put just a pinch of water in the palette that goes with the water.
What are right
Okay, you can put maybe another pinch because I think some spilled.
in there? Make sure you're not too spilled.
Oh, wait, something's missing.
What?
I see. Scientist Mina has her goggles. Scientist Elise has her goggles.
I'm very done.
Scientist Mir.
Where are you now? How are you gonna miss goggles? How are you gonna miss goggles? Now we have to repeat it.
Mir, where are your goggles?
Oh no! Yeah.
Those are too tight for my eyes.
But you need them for safety. The tighter, the better.
Yeah, Mary.
So.
Okay.
Okay.
Whew.
Now we can start the experiment.
Crisis averted. Now, Mir, could you wipe the measuring spoon off with the paper towel and put just a pinch of baking soda into the palette with the baking soda, and then you can take the glasses off. Measure the baking soda and put it into the palette with the baking soda, please.
Put it. What about the inside of it?
Yeah, we worked it.
Mir, come on.
Baking soda. Do it.
Get the
Here,
baking
I'll
soda.
bring the baking soda to you. So. No. Put this in the baking soda one. Wait, that's not. You gotta fill it up. You know, don't cry, okay? Everything's gonna be alright. Yeah. Okay, you wanna pour it in there? Here. No? Here, do it. Pour it, the one right below the water. Want me to bring this to you? There.
Thank you. And then scientist Mimi and Elise, you do the same things for the other materials.
Let's wipe this off. Ew. The baking soda smells disgusting.
That water, that bowl of water is for you to dip it in there to clean off the material and then wipe it with a paper towel. That's your cleaning bowl.
Oh yay, cleaning bowl. I want to kiss you. Okay, so I'm going to do the lemon juice. Careful. Boom shakalaka. Succeed. Okay. Clean that off. And I'm gonna do. Oh, do I have to do the vinegar? It smells so bad. Ew. Okay. Let's carefully. Oh yeah, vinegar. Okay.
You put in the,
Elise, it's your turn. First, do the glass cleaner. Make sure you fill it up. Yeah, she can read, so I won't have to help her. Okay. Ah, do you see the bubbles in there? Wipe this off. It looks so shiny. When you put it in the water, it looks. That's a whole lot of detergent. Okay. We use the powder detergent this time. Okay, put it down. There. Bye bye, just a pinch. Okay, we did that.
We already put the stuff in the palette. Now we're gonna test the pHs.
So, Mary, you first.
what are you using to test the pH?
I'm using red cabbage powder, and we're going to put in this, not these. Okay? Make sure you do those.
Squeeze me.
Okay,
I know how to
let
do
me
it,
help you.
Auntie.
Let go. Let go. Oh, okay. Okay, good. Now put it in here. Squeeze it out. Squeeze it all of it. Yeah, all of it. Good job. Okay, now it's my turn.
I forgot which one was window cleaner.
How is it not falling out? That's so cool. So, this is window cleaner. So I'm going to do lemon.
Did it change colors?
Pink! And vinegar. Pink! Mine changed pink. Yay, 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 yay. Okay, now it's your turn. What will yours change into? Don't trip. Put it right in there. Okay. Green. All of it, all of it. Green. So you guys change. So yours changed blue, mine changed pink, and yours changed green.
What does that mean?
That means
Look in your book. Look, what does that mean?
it means that mine is acids. Yay! I love acids because they're pink.
Acids and bases.
Which ones are the bases then? Based on the color, which ones are the bases?
Right here, right here. Amir, yours are bases.
That means it's blue. The bases are blue.
And yours are bases. Yours is bases.
So can you name which ones are which?
Yeah. This is the lemon juice and it turned pink.
So it's a what?
It's a acid.
What about yours, Amiri? Mir, what about yours?
This is the baking soda and it turned blue.
So that means it's a what?
Acid.
No.
It's a mouse.
Ba 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 ba.
All about that?
Bass.
Base.
That's it. That's it.
This is
Not a basset.
It doesn't
It's a
think it's a
basis.
basset.
It's a base.
You silly one.
What about you, Lisi? What colors did yours turn?
Look, look
Mine.
here.
What are they?
Green.
But what are the materials? Did you use detergent? What did you use?
Window cleaner.
And what color did it turn? What color did they turn?
Green.
And so that means they're what?
Ba ba.
Base.
Bases.
Not bases.
Not basses.
Yeah, not bases.
You don't like basses. Can we see the video?
Okay, so let's talk about the kit and tell them what you learned.
Okay. So I think I'm giving this kit a thumbs up.
What do you give it?
Actually, a feet and thumbs up.
Me too. Me three.
I love.
Turn the kit to the front again.
Wait, is that going to dry?
No, because we're gonna have our own science experiment and mix all of this into one big bowl.
Oh, what do you think will happen?
I think
I
it will.
Rainbow.
I think it will explode the whole house, and the whole house will break down. No, then we have to camp out, Miri.
Yeah.
You may not like to camp out. Bugs will crawl on you.
Oh, I hate camping out.
Okay, that was great. You all can go ahead and mix it all and see
Can
what
I-
happens. Everybody
I'm
needs their
gonna
safety
say
goggles
I
on.
want-
You need your safety goggles. If you're mixing
I
things,
wanna mix it.
you've got to
I'm
put your
gonna
safety
mix
goggles
it.
on. Move the box so we can see. Move the box so we can see.
Okay.
And move the lab book so we don't spill anything there.
Nope.
And we can close the cabbage water so we can save that for something in the future.
I want to choose this in here.